Students, this is the last video on allied angles. In this video, we shall see the examples in which the angle is more than 360 degrees. Exercise 3.2, second main. First main I have solved in the previous video. Find the value of the trigonometric functions. First one, I consider sine of 765 degrees. Sine of 765 degrees means 360 means one complete rotation. Again 720, 360 into 3 plus 360, it is 720 plus remaining angle, it is 45 degree. So I rewrite this as sine of two complete rotations. One complete revolution is 360 degree. Like that 2 into 360, it is 720 plus remaining angle, it is 45 degree. Our angle is in the first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. After two complete rotations it got back to the first quadrant, means I have to just write sine 45 degree. What is sine 45 degree? It is 1 by root 2. Okay. I hope you have understood. Now I consider one more example. Tan, find the trigonometric ratio for tan angle 19 pi by 3. 9 tan operating on. Either you can convert it into degree measure by multiplying it by 180 by pi, or you can just keep it as it is. In the radian measure only you can express it in the multiple of one complete rotation, that is 2 pi radians. Here there is 19 pi by 3 means if I write here 6 pi plus then 6 3s are 18 pi plus 1 pi, it becomes 19 pi. 19 pi by 3 is equal to, if I write 6 pi plus pi by 3, denominator of this is 1, 3 is the LCM, 1 3s are, 6 3s are 18 pi plus pi. Thus I wrote 19 pi by 3 as 6 pi plus pi by 3. What is the meaning of 6 pi? It is 3 complete revolutions, because one revolution is 2 pi radians, plus I have pi by 3. What is the meaning of this? 1 rotation, 2 rotation, 3 rotation. After that it is in the first quadrant. So I have to just write it as tan pi by 3. What is tan pi by 3? It is tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree will be root 3. Okay. I hope you have understood. Now I consider the third example. It is sine operating on minus 11 pi by 3. Minus 11 pi by 3. Now you look at what is the meaning of this one. Minus 11, minus theta means if the angle is measured in the clockwise direction, it is negative. That is one clockwise direction. Like this, if you measure, it will be measured in the negative sign. First what I do is sine of, if I have negative sign, I first write it as minus sine of 11 pi by 3. Because you know, for all the ratios except cos of minus theta and sec of minus theta, you can write sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, tan of minus theta is minus tan theta, cosec of minus theta is minus cosec theta, like that. So I write minus 711 pi by 3. Minus sign I will keep it outside sine. Then pi by 3. Here by trial and error I try to express it as a multiple of 2 pi plus or minus the acute angle. Suppose I write here 11 pi is there. So suppose what I can write here? 4 pi. 4 3s are 12 pi. But minus if I make, then I will get back to 11 pi by 3. So I write 11 pi by 3 as 4 pi minus pi by 3. 4 pi means what? 2 complete rotations minus sine of 4 pi means what? 2 times of 2 pi. 2 complete rotations minus pi by 3 radians. Minus sign as it is. 2 complete rotations, 1 rotation, 2 rotations, but 2 rotation is about to complete, but there is minus pi by 3 means angle lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant sine is negative, so I write sine of minus pi by 3. Then minus sign outside. You know sine of minus 60 means minus sine pi by 3. Minus into minus it becomes plus sine 60 degree. You know sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Okay. I hope you understood. Now I consider fourth example. Fourth example is find cos of 16 pi by 3. Cos operating on 16 pi by 3. Pi by 3 I will keep it as it is here. Here 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 5 3s are 15 plus 1. So I write this as 5 pi plus pi by 3. Cos operating on 5 pi, will it be a complete rotation? No. How many complete rotations you can make? 2 times of 2 pi. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 more pi remains plus pi by 3. Cos of. Okay. I hope you understood. It is 2 complete, 1 rotation, then 2 rotation. After that plus pi, then plus pi by 3. Means our this given angle lies in the third quadrant. Cos of, after 2 complete rotation it gets back to the remaining angle pi plus pi by 3. Cos of pi plus pi by 3 means in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, you know, according to ASTC rule, only tan and cot are positive. So this is minus. Cos pi by 3 minus, what is cos 60? You know, cos 60 degree or minus cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Thus, cos of 16 pi by 3 is minus 1 by 2. Similarly, I take one more last example. Cot minus 15 pi by 4. I told you cot of minus theta means first I write minus cot remaining angle 15 pi by 4 minus cot. Then how do you express it as pi by 4 here, and here by trial and error 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 1 I can write 4 pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi means what? 2 pi is 1 complete rotation. Another 2 pi means 4 pi. It is 1 complete rotation. But minus pi by 4 is there means angle is in the fourth quadrant. Minus sign. Then minus, what I can write here? Cot pi by 4. Because 4 pi is 2 complete rotations. After that I am left with an angle cot of minus pi by 4. That is fourth quadrant. Minus into minus plus. What is cot 45 degree? Cot 45, tan 45, they are all 1. So I get the answer of this as 1. Okay, with this allied angles is completed. In the next video lecture, we shall see the graphs of some trigonometric functions.